Welcome guys back. Today we are going to make a very simple knit hat that is suitable for entire family. It's easy, cute hat and a great pattern for beginners who know how to purl and know how to knit. For this hat I was using 9mm knitting needles and Lion brand wool and thick yarn. Wool is thick and quick yarn. This is a super bulky yarn, number 6, and you will need a little bit more than half of the ball. I attached a real raccoon fur pom-pom. Of course you can make pom-pom with the same yarn or attach any fur pom-pom. So if you like this pattern and have a ball of any super bulky yarn, let's try and let's get started. So for this yarn I cast on 44 stitches, and now I'm going to join them in the round. Please check that all your stitches look inside and are not twisted. So I'm going to start from ribbing part, place marker, and start with knit 1, pull tight here, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Like this you're going to repeat till the end of this round. To the marker, and then you're going to repeat 7 more times, so in total 8 rounds until your piece measures 6 centimeters. So here I am, I've done my 8 rounds, and now I start with the main body pattern. Knit 3 and slip the next stitch with the yarn in back, knit 3 and slip the next stitch with the yarn in back. Repeat this till the end of round 3, slip, knit 3, slip, go on to the marker. The next round we are going to repeat the first round. Knit 3, slip the next stitch with the yarn in back, knit 3, slip the next stitch with the yarn in back, knit 3, slip the next stitch with the yarn in back, and go on till marker. Round number 3, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit that slip stitch, knit 1, and repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and knit that slipped stitch. One more time. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Go on till the marker. Round number 4. Knit all stitches across. To the marker. Round number 5. Knit 1, slip the next stitch with the yarn and back, knit 2, and repeat. Knit 1, slip the next stitch with the yarn and back, knit 2, and one more time. Knit 1, slip the next stitch, knit 2, and the same till the marker. Round number 6, we're going to repeat round number 5. Knit 1, slip the next stitch with the yarn and back, knit 2, knit 1, slip the next stitch, knit 2, knit 1, slip the next stitch with the yarn and back, knit 2. Repeat again till the marker. Row number 7, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and you need that slip stitch. Purl 1, knit 1, knit, purl 1, knit 1. Go on till the end of round. And the last 8 round, knit all stitches around, knit all stitches. Finish this round to the marker and then start again from the first round. Repeat everything from the first round until your piece measures 19 centimeters from the very edge of the hat. And I will see you after. Here I am back. I have exactly 19 centimeters. And now I am ready to start my decreases. First round, you knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. Go on till the marker. Round number 2 of decreases. Purl 1, knit 1. There will be no decreases, we just make purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1. Go on to the marker. Round number 3, we are going to knit 2 together again. For this I change direction of my purl stitch to make decrease look more smooth. I change direction and then I knit 2 together. Go on to the marker. And the last round of decreases, we're not going to decrease anything here, we're just going to knit all stitches around. Okay, I'm done. Remove the marker, cut the yarn, that is how the hat looks. Now take the hook or yarn needle and thread through remaining stitches. Like this. And 3 last. Pull the yarn tight to close top. And now I'm going to show you how I'm usually weaving in ends. So I go underneath those last stitches in the round. You can do it with a hook, also it is okay to do it with a yarn needle, tapestry needle. So I go once and then I go the second time. And even sometimes I can go even for the third time. Like this, I'm sure it is closed forever. And here with the ribbon part, once I showed you how to weave here in ends, I always do it on the wrong side, because I've seen before that someone is doing it on the right side. Okay, the hat, once you are done with weaving ends, the hat is ready. Don't forget to attach pom-pom. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial and I hope to see you back soon. This is my raccoon, purple raccoon pom-pom. It suits well this hat. I like this combination, color combination. So thank you so much one more time for joining. Please subscribe and like this video and see you